You know what's interesting, boys? Society has labeled us as dirty pigs, that we don't take care of ourselves. We're not hygienic. And society and girls want hygienic males. Males that know how to properly groom themselves. But the sad part is that nobody teaches us this stuff. I can't remember my dad sitting with me and telling me all the stuff that I need to do to properly groom myself. Can you? Here's the saddest part. Most of this simple stuff, you're probably doing wrong. Today, I'm gonna highlight the 7 grooming mistakes most dudes are making in their daily routine and how you should fix them. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Number 1, not scrubbing your whole body. You know who you are. You'll hop in the shower, scrub any area that's easily accessible, that doesn't cause a lot of stress, and that's about it. Then you just let the soapy water run through the rest of your body, thinking this is enough to cleanse your body. You don't, however, remember to scrub areas like your crotch, your butthole, or your feet that harbor tons of sweat and nasty bacteria that not only is dangerous but also stinks. So you gotta remember to take some time and actually scrub these areas to make sure they're hygienic and always smelling fresh. Number 2, no, boys, the nastiness does not stop here. You got dudes that are showering with the same bar of soap for months on end. I know damn well that most of you have this thin sliver of soap that's probably filled with hair on the corner of your bathroom. That bar of soap has been proven by studies to harbor dangerous bacteria like E. coli, staph, and even epidermis. This is exactly why I choose to rather shower with the body wash. This one from Dollar Shave Club smells amazing, and the one that I'd probably recommend to you guys because it's a mint cedarwood scent that not only is refreshing and hydrating to your skin, but you end up walking out that shower smelling like a masculine stud. These Dollar Shave Club shower washes are very relatively inexpensive, meaning you're not gonna be spending any more than what you would spend on a bar of soap. And the best part yet, it doesn't harbor the bacteria than a bar of soap does. Number 3, as a man, not learning how to use tweezers. And the reality is that no, tweezers aren't just for girls, and this is something that you as a dude will probably need to use so you don't end up looking like Anthony Davis. Proper eyebrow care is important, and no, you don't want to overpluck to the point that you look like a girl, but yes, you want to at least take care of that unibrow because that ends up looking dirty. Now, how to use tweezers is most of them will come with the slanted edge. That slanted edge is what you want up against the skin because this is going to give you the greatest area of coverage and also the best grip on your hair so you can quickly do this and effectively do it. Turning it around could be quite dangerous, and this is when the pinching comes, and pinching yourself with tweezers is a pain that I wouldn't recommend on anybody. Number 4, not trimming in between your haircuts. Hey, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. Growing up, I didn't have the money to go to the barbershop every 2 weeks to have that crisp fade. Even little Jose, middle school me, knew that that wasn't an excuse to look like a bum. So I saved up money and ended up buying a straight edge razor and even learned how to properly use that up against my skin as a little dude and learned how to edge myself in between cuts so I can have a fresh haircut, or at least the illusion of a fresh haircut, even when I wasn't going to the barbershop. Now that I've grown up, I much rather recommend a trimmer because a trimmer is safer to use and easier to learn versus a straight edge. There's kind of a learning curve where you could cut yourself severely. However, a simple trick, which is a trim up around the ears, on the sideburns, and on your neck, will quickly clean up your haircut to make it look fresh, or at least freshened up to the point that you don't look like a dirty hobo. Number 5, the dude that uses a bar of soap on his face. I already told you how bad this bar of soap is. Now imagine putting this bar of soap on your face. Imagine putting all that dirty gunk of soap on your face while also over drying your skin because that soap is too harsh for your sensitive face. All of this irritation, all of this skin imperfection is coming because you're not properly taking care of your skin, and mostly because you're using that type of soap on your face. If you want perfect skin, you need to do the bare minimum and at least buy a face wash that was made for your face. The Daily Face Cleanser from the Dollar Shave Club is perfect for this. It's a smooth, hydrating citrus ginger blend that purifies the skin without over drying it. And this is exactly why I love our sponsor, Dollar Shave Club. Don't let it confuse you, boys. Dollar Shave Club doesn't just do shaving products. And as a dude, this is kind of like a lifesaver because with the Dollar Shave Club, they all get delivered to my door every single month right when I need them. It's actually cheaper and also easier because it gets delivered to your door. You create your own bundle that gets delivered at the rate that you need it to be delivered to your door. Their face wash, their body wash are two of my favorite products that I'd recommend you start out with just to see how amazing it is and the massive difference it's going to do on your grooming routine and on your skin versus using that dirty bar of soap. Those two products alone are going to change your grooming game forever, not to mention you're going to be smelling amazing. Now, Dollar Shave Club has tons of products and I honestly recommend you try them all. Everything from oral care to skin care to hair care and even, of course, shaving products. When you click the link down below, like I said, you could choose different trial boxes, whether it's oral care box, their best sellers, their shaving products, or their new products that they just released from their fresher collection. That trial kit is only $5 plus free shipping, which means it's the cost of a cup of coffee for a whole box full of grooming products. After that, it's only a few bucks a month depending on what you end up choosing, and you can cancel at any time, so there is no commitment, or you can put it on pause. If you guys want to check out the Dollar Shave Club to completely revamp your grooming game, there's going to be a link down below. Check out that special offer. It's only $5 plus free shipping, so there's nothing to lose. Number 6, a dude that doesn't use moisturizer. Now, most dudes are a victim to this, or maybe it's just me, but the worst part is that skipping this grooming step, it's an unforgivable sin. If you're a dark colored dude like myself, your elbows, your knees, and the sides of your mouth, I end up looking like a homeless crackhead because of how ashy my skin gets. Even my light colored friends, you cannot skip on moisturizer. I know nobody taught you this, but it's something you gotta do. Not only will your skin look rejuvenated, but you'll also look more hygienic. You won't look like a crackhead anymore. Finally, boys, number 7, something nobody ever taught us, is applying deodorant before putting on your shirt. Do it wrong and you end up with deodorant stains that, again, just make you look dirty, messy. You want to put your shirt on first and then apply the deodorant. Doing that simple change up on your grooming routine can have massive benefits. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 grooming mistakes most dudes are making in their daily routine and how to fix it. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, the Dollar Shave Club. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.